Hey, it's Kylie from Gerber, and this is the Stakeout. Every trip is different, but one thing doesn't change. The gear you carry has to earn its keep. The Stakeout handles what every camper faces: setting up, maintaining body and equipment, cooking, and packing out. It's an innovative tool built to manage the campsite, with each of the 11 tools serving a purpose. Not the least of which is the tent stake puller, a useful feature that makes packing up and getting out a breeze. No matter the task, this compact multi-tool houses the cutting tool you need. Secured while in use with a liner lock, the Stakeout offers a full plain edge blade, saw, spring-loaded scissors, and an awl. Don't need to cut? We've got you covered there too. Opposite the cutting tools, there is a ruler, file and match striker, bottle opener, and tweezers. A sturdy carabiner is built into the frame of the Stakeout, making it easy to clip and go. It's full of 11 features that eliminate the need to pack multiple tools. Light in your pack, but heavy on features. Weight, versatility, and packability influence the design, making this multi-tool the ideal companion for every trip and every task. Like all Gerber products, the Stakeout is backed by the Gerber Guarantee.
This is the Leatherman Signal, and this is a tool for outdoor adventurers. When we came up with the Leatherman Signal, we tried to hit a fine line between having a tool that was practical for the everyday adventurer, but also give them the additional security of having the features to get them out of a jam if they found themselves in a precarious situation. So some of the most fun stuff for me to work on were absolutely the new features for this tool, and some of the key new features were the fire starter and the whistle and the knife sharpener. A whistle in itself is not a new idea. People know about whistles, but how are we gonna put that in the signal tool in a way that you can use it easily and not lose it? So there's a mechanism here that's a spring that retains the part from the inside. You can only get this out from the inside of the tool, so when the tool is closed, you have no chance of losing it. We had a frequency and a decibel target when we started. What we ended up doing was trying to make a reasonably high-pitched sound so that it would carry and pierce through a natural soundscape, but also giving it a little bit more low end so it would carry a little further. This type of fire starter rod is a material called ferrocerium. It's not actually flint, which is a misconception. You can have harder or softer ferroceriums, and the harder materials will last longer, but they don't provide as much of a spark. The softer materials will really gob up and provide you a lot of flame, but they don't last as long. So that's the trade-off. We ended up tipping the scale pretty far towards a softer element that if you were really in an emergency situation, you would prefer to have that. And this is essentially a curved diamond file, and the profile of the curvature here was designed to match the profile of the serrations, so that if you were really going to be in the woods for a significant amount of days and this was going to be your only tool, you would have an avenue to sharpen up not only the flat part of your blade, but the serrations themselves also.
We woke up longing for something more. More simplicity. When having better made things means having fewer of them. More adventure. When the allure of the unknown turns to the satisfaction of discovery. More connection. When the noise fades and the things that matter most come into sharp focus. It turns out we didn't need much. Just a few simple tools and the space to roam and wander. Today, time was measured in moments. And in these moments, disconnected from the rest of the world, we found ourselves more connected than ever.